In the early morning hours of August 2nd, 1990, Iraq's Republican Guard overran Kuwait, and within 2 days it stood on the border of Saudi Arabia, within striking distance of the largest oil fields on Earth. The United States decided to stop them there, but the nearest American armored division was 8,600 miles away. What followed was the fastest large-scale military deployment in American history, and this is the story of how it actually worked. The whole operation was shaped by one piece of arithmetic. An aircraft crosses the ocean in a day, but even the giant C-5 Galaxy carries only about 100 tons, while a single fast cargo ship carries more than 700 vehicles. So the people flew and the equipment floated. Aircraft ended up carrying 99% of the personnel, and ships 95% of the cargo. None of it was improvised. After the Iranian Revolution, Washington had spent $7 billion preparing for exactly this war, including ships that sat permanently loaded at Diego Garcia in the Indian Ocean, holding 30 days of supplies for an entire Marine brigade, and on the receiving end, Saudi oil money had already built some of the most modern ports on Earth at Dammam and Jubail. America did not build this theatre in 1990, it moved into one that was already there. The first paratroopers of the 82nd Airborne landed within 31 hours of the order, but against Iraqi armour they were, in their own words, a speed bump. Real combat power arrived when the prepositioned ships docked at Jubail on the 14th of August, and 15,000 Marines flown in from California married up with their equipment. 18 days after the order, the shield existed. Behind it, the sea bridge ran at full power, though not everything worked. The Navy's 8 fast sea-lift ships raced across at 33 knots, while the mothballed reserve fleet, underfunded for years, mostly failed to activate on time and had to be replaced by chartered foreign ships. Ashore, one improvised command under General Pagonis received everything, buying trucks, food and water directly from Saudi contractors, which by the army's own estimate halved what had to be shipped at all. In November, the force was doubled for the offensive, with an entire armoured corps moved from Germany through Bremerhaven, Rotterdam and Antwerp. By February, over 500,000 Americans and more than 12 million tons of cargo and fuel had reached the Gulf. The war that followed lasted 100 hours. The build-up took 200 days. The fighting was short because the logistics were long.